Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, yesterday's lecture, I have a doubt from that. Good morning, everyone. Yes, Archana. We will look after your doubt at the end of the lecture. Now focus on this lecture and I will ask questions, okay? तो आज हम हमारा न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. That is Introduction to C. ओंकार,
क्या मैम? आवाज नहीं आ रही मैम.
ओंकार तुम इतने पीछे क्यों बैठे हो?
अरे मैम, मैं बैक बेंचर हूँ तो पीछे ही बैठूंगा ना.
Is this an excuse? बैंक बेंचर हो तो पीछे बैठोगे. Anyways, concentrate, okay? Good morning, ma'am. जानवी, why are you late today? हाँ? अरे मैम बहुत ट्रैफिक था ना इसलिए लेट हो गई मैम. ट्रैफिक था, पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया, डीजल खत्म हो गया. Why are you late in the online lecture? अरे ऑनलाइन लेक्चर है. अरे मैम घर पे काम दिया था मैम, बहुत काम दिया था, लेट हो गई. हाँ, you are still sleeping. You are physically present but not mentally. I know everything. Sleep. Eat crackjack. So can anyone tell me what is variable? Yes, anyone except Mona Lisa? ओंकार?
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही. आवाज नहीं है कुछ भी.
सिद्धांत? No one can answer. Ma'am, may I? Yes, Mona Lisa, you only say the answer to everyone. No one knows. Ma'am, variable is the name given to the memory location. It is the temporary name given to the memory. For example, integer A is the variable. Like data type, then variable. Okay, now who will answer? Yes, you, Pragati. Yes, ma'am, I know the answer. Yes, you should answer now. Let's see. Ma'am, should I answer? Pragati, I think there is some problem with your mic. Please unmute yourself first, okay? Don't try to pretend. Can't hear you. You are not audible. She is lip sync. Guys, she is lip sync, right? Students, can you hear her? I know you have played any video or something. You are not there. I know everything. Yes. Pragati, present your screen. Should I present my screen? I not needed. I will mark you absent today. This is not acceptable. Ma'am, I am there, ma'am. मैं absent नहीं हूँ. I can hear you, ma'am. Can you hear me? Siddhant, where is your concentration? Focus here. What are you doing in your mobile?
Ma'am, my focus is on the lecture only, ma'am. Ma'am, I am listening, ma'am. I am listening.
Okay. I know how much you are focusing here. Can you please repeat the answer that Mona Lisa just said?
What, ma'am? Ma'am, should I answer? मैं आंसर दूँ? Okay, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Notes निकाल रहा हूँ, ma'am.
शांताबाई रूपाची खान दिसती छान लाखात छान नजरेचा वाहन तीर कमान मारिती चक्रा तुझा ग नकरा इकडून तिकडं मारिती चक्रा नकरा
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am. I have one doubt. So as Mona Lisa said, variable is the name given to the memory location. Okay, so now we will talk about data type. Ma'am, I have one doubt. Yes. So data type is predefined in C language. There are 3 types of data type: primary, secondary and ternary, and I will discuss it. Wait a minute. खाली कौन है? Where is Akshay? Lecture join करके चला गया. Where were you, Akshit? Lecture के बीच में होगे तुम? This is not acceptable. Concentrate on the lecture. It is already half done. Very careless attitude. Okay, where was I? Wait a minute. Aniket? Aniket, are you there in the lecture?
Yes ma'am. मैम नोट्स निकाल रहा हूँ मैं.
Yes. Aniket, थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था. Can you answer?
हाँ मैम देता हूँ ना आंसर. हाँ मैम वेरिएबल मैम.
Aniket, are you there? Aniket. Might be network problem. अरे दाढ़ी काट, क्या हो गया? क्या है यहाँ पे? पागल बना रहे हैं आपको मैम. Ma'am, my doubt is really important. Everyone is clear and I will ask questions tomorrow regarding this. So if anyone is having any doubt, they can ask. Yes, Archana, talking about your doubt. Yes, so what is your doubt? Yes, my doubt was that, ma'am, क्या आपकी टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? Call your parents, ask them without their having toothpaste में नमक or not. Careless students. मम्मी मॅम बोला रही है, बघा ना, विचारती है टूथपेस्ट मध्ये नमक आहे का नाही. मैम हमारे टूथपेस्ट में नमक है. These students, they seriously. Okay, thank you students. Have a good day. Keep studying and practicing what I have taught today. Okay, bye. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Is the lecture done? Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. My doubt is not yet clear.